Hi and welcome. In this quick video I'll show you how to attach this PlayStation 5 stand so your PlayStation can lay horizontally or stand vertically. Let's get started. We'll start by setting up the horizontal position. If your stand looks like this, we want to turn this part so it looks like this. Next, let's connect the stand. Turn your PlayStation so you can see these air vents, and you'll notice on one side there is a square, triangle, circle, cross, square repeated. What we want to do is grab the stand, and you'll notice there are hooks just at the bottom there. Line up the first hook on the first square and press. Do the same with the second hook. Next we'll lift and turn the PlayStation so the vents are at the back, and then we'll rest it on this stand. To make the PlayStation 5 stand on its base, start off by turning the base so it looks like this. You'll notice underneath a screw is revealed, so take that out as we'll be using that. And you'll also see a small hole there which we will use also. Next we want to turn the PlayStation so it stands upside down. The PlayStation is now upside down with the vents which are normally at the back just at the front here. You'll notice a small circular tab which you can use a nail or perhaps a screwdriver to get underneath and lift off. This goes into the base, the small hole next to where the screw came from. Next up we'll connect this base, and what we do is just slide it on the back like so. It fits naturally. Grab that screw, place it in the top, and you can tighten that up by hand. You can use a screwdriver if you so wish, but by hand is just fine. Screw it nice and tight. Once that's done, turn the PlayStation over so the vents are to the rear. And that is how you set up the stand for your PlayStation 5. I hope you found the video useful, and if you have, really appreciate if you can give it a quick thumbs up, check out some of my other videos, and lastly, have a great day ahead.